If you would like to allow anonymous users to create an account, create content, or comment on your site, but don't want to leave it vulnerable to spam, you'll need to install some form of spam protection. There are numerous ways to do this. One of the most common is to use a CAPTCHA module like reCAPTCHA. Now, another option, and my preferred method, is to use the Mollom module, which you can find at drupal.org/project/Mollom. Mollom is a third-party service that has plugins and integration with a variety of software, including Drupal, WordPress, .NET, Ruby, and a number of other systems. One of its most useful features is number 2 on the list of benefits here, and that is that there is strength in numbers. Regardless of the platform it is implemented on, it references a central repository of known spam, and everyone who uses it can contribute to and benefit from that central repository. It was originally created by a couple of guys named Dries and Benjamin. Dries is the same guy who originally created Drupal, and Mollom has been acquired by Acquia, which is a well-known Drupal company, so there's a lot of authority and experience behind it. For more information, go ahead and take a look at mollom.com. And Mollom works in a few different ways. First, it has the option of displaying a CAPTCHA, which is the typical type what you see in the box form of protection that we all love to hate. It can also perform text analysis, which is a more advanced, user-friendly form of protection. This option will analyze the text of a completed form for spammy content instead of requiring the user to complete an annoying CAPTCHA. Another way Mollom protects all forms is by using a honeypot. Basically, this adds a hidden field, it's hidden using CSS, to the form that the users don't see and therefore don't fill in. But spam bots blindly fill it out because they're just entering data into every available field. This effectively reveals them as spam bots, and the submission can be flagged as spam without requiring moderator interaction. Now, in order to use Mollom, you need to sign up for an account at mollom.com. There are multiple tiers of Mollom protection, and depending on the size of your site and how many forms you choose to protect, the free version may be sufficient. So if we just go to mollom.com, we can click Get Started. And here you see the various tiers, and choose whichever one you want. I'm going to go ahead and click Get Mollom Free and create a new account. And at the bottom of the form, you'll see the CAPTCHA option that Mollom provides. This is the typical type of CAPTCHA that you see across the web, but I'm going to show you a much better one once we get it installed. And now we see, notice that our password and further instructions have been sent to our email address. So let's go check that and finish setting up our account. And we've got a message. And we've got a message that says, "Thank you for registering at Mollom." Now it gives us a password here we could use, but I'm going to go ahead and click this link and set a password that I will remember in the future. And when I click save, I'm taken to the add subscription page. So I'll go ahead and fill this out. Then you can double check your subscription options and click complete subscription. Now I can click view keys to view the public and private keys. We're going to need these to link our site with the Mollom service. So now we're ready to go ahead and install the module on our site.